Okay, good morning, everyone. We'll start it now. Last lecture, this first 8 MCQs are discussed. Okay, remaining MCQs we'll discuss it now, and then we'll take some numericals, few numericals. First 8 MCQs means first 2 slides are over. Okay, these 2 slides are over. Then MCQ number 9. Anyone will read it? Roll number. We'll go for roll number wise. Roll number 10. Read the MCQ number 9. Start
The
it.
atomic radius of FCC lattice is
Now, what is atomic radius of FCC? What is the answer? Face centered cubic FCC. R is equal to root
2a divided by 4.
root 2a dividing by
divided by 4.
किंवा आपण काय म्हणलं R is equal to a upon 2
Two
root
root
2 root
2 root 2. Okay, R is equal to a upon 2 root 2 किंवा root 2a upon 4. Which answer is correct here?
C option.
Option C is correct one. ठीक है. The next roll number. Read the MCQ number 10.
The packing
Read it.
the packing factor of FCC structure is A 52%, B 68%, C 92%, and D none of these.
Okay, the packing factor is FCC. FCC से कितने वो packing factor? FCC. The packing factor of face centered cubic is FCC. Atomic packing factor. For simple cubic कितने हैं? SC 0.52 म्हणजे 52%. For BCC, its value is
68%.
68. Okay, म्हणजे 68%. And last one is FCC
0.74.
0.74.
0.74.
0.7
म्हणजे it is in percentage means how many percent?
74%.
74.
74%. Means answer is which one is correct?
None of
D
these.
none
None
of
of
these.
these. Instead of none of these, we'll write it here 74%. Okay. We are writing none of these. Answer is 74%. The option D is the correct option. Okay. Then next, we'll read it. Next one. Roll number 9. Who is there? 12. Kadam, Sanskruti. Roll number 12. Sanskruti Kadam, please read the MCQs. Next one, next. 13. Deshmukh.
In diode axis of symmetry, angle of rotation for cubic crystal structure is dash dash so as to get its concurrent position. Option A 90 degree, option B 180 degree, option C 270 degree, option D 360 degree.
For diode axis, which option is correct? Which how many degree? For tetrad? Tetrad ला किती आहे वो?
90 degree.
Tetrad ला 90 degree. Diode
180 degree.
180 degree. आणि triad
120.
50 degree.
120 degree. Means which option is correct? For diode how many degree? 180 degree. So option B is the correct option. For diode 180 degree. Next roll number 14 or 15 somewhere.
The number of atoms in a unit cell of FFC structure is
In FCC how many are there? In SC how many are there? Simple cubic. SC 1, BCC
2.
2, and FCC
4.
4. Means which answer is correct?
D option.
Option D. The 4 are there. The next roll number 17, 18, something.
The Miller indices of the plane parallel to X and Y axis are option A 100, B 010, option C 001, option D 111.
Which option? A parallel to x-axis means intercept infinity. Parallel to y-axis means intercept is infinity. And assume that it is a intercept of this plane on z-axis is 1. And then take reciprocals 1 upon infinity,
1.
1 upon infinity, and 1 upon 1. Which option is correct? 0, 0, 1.
0, 1.
A parallel to x and y axis means 0, 0, 1. Means which option is here? Correct
C.
option is C. Is there.
C.
Okay. Next roll number. 19. Vishal.
Yes, sir.
Read it.
If 3, 2, 6 are the Miller
Others
indices
who is
of
please एक मिनिट पुन्हा येते mute yourself बाकीचे read it now.
Miller indices of the plane, the intercepts made by the plane on crystallographic axis are.
Okay, if 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 6, these are the Miller indices of the plane of the intercepts by the plane on crystallography axis are. Intercepts काय असणार आहेत हे Miller indices असतील तर
2, 3, 2A, 3B.
2A 3B A upon असते बघा A upon something A upon 3 दुसरं काय असणार आहे B upon 2 आणि तिसरं काय असणार आहे C upon 6 ना 6 मल्टिप्लाइंग बाय LCM किती आहे यांचा 6 न मल्टिप्लाय केलं काय येणार आहे 6 न मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर
2, 3, 1.
2A 3B
1, C.
C म्हणजे 2A 3B आणि C. These are the Miller indices. So these are the intercepts. म्हणजे कुठला येणार आहे ऑप्शन which option is correct here? Option A. A is correct one. Okay, next one.
A plane parallel to one of the coordinate axis has an intercept of.
Okay, plane is parallel to one of the coordinate axis has intercept of. Options are
Infinity.
C option.
okay. If plane is parallel, then its intercept is infinity. Which option C is correct? First option is 1, second is 0, third will take 3. Which option is correct here?
Option C.
Option C, that is the infinity is correct. Next.
The Miller indices of
Miller,
the plane.
Miller.
The Miller indices of the plane parallel to y and z axis are.
काय येणार आहे y and z चे parallel? Plane is parallel to y and z axis. What are the Miller
1,
indices?
0, 0.
1, 0,
0,
0,
0.
0. ओके म्हणजे कसं येणार आहे सांगा मला 1 पहिला इंटरसेप्ट 1 आला दुसरा काय आला इन्फिनिटी तिसरा काय आला इन्फिनिटी आला म्हणजे 1 upon 1 1 upon infinity 1 upon infinity म्हणजे काय येणार आहे 1
1,
0
0,
0. So these are the Miller indices are 1 0 0. This option A is the correct option.
8.
Okay, these are 16 are over now. Then MCQ number 70. Read it. 21, 22. कोणतरी आहे का नाही डोके ऋषिकेश once again you read it. Okay.
The relation of length of unit cell in monoclinic crystal system is.
What are the monoclinic? What are the relations between A, B, C for monoclinic? Anyone for monoclinic?
A is not equal to B is not equal to C.
Okay, A is not equal to B is not equal to C. This option C is the correct option. For monoclinic, A is not equal to B is not equal to C. Now, what is the relation between angles? Alpha is equal to
Gamma is equal to 90 degree. Is not equal to beta.
And beta is not equal to 90 degree. Beta is not equal to beta. This is the relation for which one? Monoclinic. A is not equal to B is not equal to C. पहला है A is not equal to B is not equal to C, and second one is the alpha is equal to gamma is equal to 90, beta is not equal to 90 degree. Then 22 number double.
Yes, sir.
Read the MCQ number 18.
The relation of angle between axes of a hexagonal crystal system is
For hexagonal, what is the relation for hexagon?
Alpha is equal to 120 degree, beta gamma is equal to 90.
Okay, alpha is equal to 120 degree and beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. And what are the relations between lattice A, B, C? A, B, C.
Equal to B is not equal to C.
Okay, A is equal to B. The two lengths are equal, and third one is longer. A is equal to B, but not equal to C. B is not equal to C. So this is a relation between angles and lengths. For which one? Hexagon. Okay, hexagon. The next roll number.
The coordination for FCC crystal structure is
Coordination number for FCC. Coordination number for FCC structure is what is definition of coordination number first? What is definition?
In crystal and structure, every atom is surrounded by another atom. The number of equidistant neighbors that an atom has in the given structure is called coordination number.
Okay, what is value of coordination number for SC? SC कितने हैं? SC 6, BCC 8, and FCC 12. Okay, the answer is for FCC 12 is the answer. The next. Now we'll read it. Anyone? Fast, don't waste time. Roll number 25.
the packing density of a BCC structure is
What is packing density for BCC? In terms of this √3/2. Atomic packing factor. मग आपण ह्याच्यामध्ये लिहू सरळ एक असं विचारण्यापेक्षा सांगा कशी येते किती येते BCC ची किती आहे √3/. Instead of that, tell me like this answer. For SC किती आहे SC 0.52. Tell like that. ठीक आहे. BCC 0.68 and FCC 0.74. For BCC, what is answer? BCC 0.68. We'll make the change the options like this. तुमच्या नोटबुक मध्ये सोडवताना केले नसतील तर आपण ह्या पद्धतीने करू. 4 ऑप्शन्स. First option 0.52, second 0.62, 68 and third is 0.74. This option 0.68 is the correct option. ठीक है. Next. Next, the atomic radius for SC. We'll read it 26 number. I got 26. I had read it. 26, 27, कुणीतरी पटकन. विशाल कदम आहे 26. Then 28, काळे, विवेक. 29.
The atomic radius for SC lattice is.
What is the atomic radius for SC?
A/2.
R is equal to A/2. For BCC, once again.
Is equal to
R is equal to √3 divided by 4.
And for FCC?
R is equal to 3 divided by 4.
By 4. Okay. The next. पटकन प्रत्येकाला नाव घ्यावं लागतं अवघड आहे. ज्याला येते त्यांनी पटपट सुरुवात करायला पाहिजे. 33 number.
The Miller indices of a plane. The Miller indices of a plane which cut the intercept of 2, 3, 4 units along the crystallography axis are.
Okay, here.
A 600.
Tell me the answer. The intercepts are given. What are the intercepts? 2 is first intercept, second is 3, and third is 4. Take reciprocals काय येणार आहेत 1/2 हा 1/3
3
1
1/4
4.
1/4.
What is the
LCM
LCM किती आला 12 आला. हा म्हणजे what are the intercepts multiplying by 12 6
4
4
Ah.
3
4
okay, these are the Miller indices 6 4 3. What is the answer?
A.
A.
आणि
Answer is A. So this is 22 number. The next पटकन सुरुवात करायची कोणीतरी.
The white space of for SC structure is option A 48%, option B 26%, option C 32%, option D 52%.
हा वाईड स्पेस म्हणजे काय असते? व्हॉट इज फॉर्म्युला फॉर वाईड स्पेस? हा वाईड स्पेस इज इक्वल
minus atomic packing factor into 100%.
1 minus APF
Yes, into 100%.
into 100%. What is the APF atomic packing factor for SC? 1 minus 0.52 into 100. We are getting how many percent?
48%.
48%. The answer is 48%. Next.
Total plane of symmetry elements for the cubic system are option A 6, option B 13, option C 9, option D none of these.
None of
Answer
these ऐवजी
9.
आपण काय तर लिहू 14 लिहू.
9.
Option is 9. Total number of planes of
9.
symmetries are 9. म्हणजे 3 planes parallel to the faces. Plus 6 कसले? Diagonal. म्हणजे किती झाले एकूण? 9 planes. What is definition of planes of symmetry? Definition. Anyone define planes of symmetry? Patkan. It is a which plane?
It is actually a mirror plane. When an imaginary plane can divide the crystal into equal parts such that each part is the exact mirror image of the other, then the crystal is said to have a plane of symmetry.
Okay, correct. Okay, this is the definition of planes of symmetry, and there are total 9 planes of symmetries for the cubic crystal. Then next.
If A is the side of the unit cell of simple cubic crystal, then the distance between nearest neighbors will be equal to.
Okay, if A is the side of the unit cell in a simple cubic म्हणलं SC crystal, then the distance between the nearest neighbors, distance between the nearest neighbors will be equal to
A by 2.
Aच येणार हो.
Only A.
Aच येणार कारण काय म्हणते R is equal to A/2 म्हणलंय. R म्हणजे काय हाफ द डिस्टन्स बिटवीन द नियरेस्ट नेबर्स म्हणतोय आपण. काय म्हणतोय R? हाफ द डिस्टन्स. हाफ डिस्टन्स आहे. मग इथं काय विचारलंय आपल्याला? डिस्टन्स बिटवीन द नियरेस्ट नेबर्स. नियरेस्ट नेबर्स म्हणजे काय आलं? AR. दिले की साइड ऑफ द क्यूबिक एज पण एज दिले म्हणजे डिस्टन्स बिटवीन द टू नियरेस्ट नेबर्स पण एच येणार आहे. आणि हाफ द डिस्टन्स म्हणलं असतं किंवा ॲटॉमिक रेडियस म्हणलं असतं काय आलं असतं A/2 आलं असतं. ठीक आहे. आपल्याला A/2 विचारलंय का? ॲटॉमिक रेडियस विचारलंय का? नाही. काय विचारलंय? डिस्टन्स बिटवीन द नियरेस्ट नेबर्स विचारलंय. What is the distance between the nearest neighbors means A only. That is simple cubic. कारण simple cubic मध्ये atoms they are in contact with each other along the atoms they are in contact with each other along the which edge? Like this cubic edge. This is the A. The lattice contact. They are in contact with each other along the cubic edge. Distance between the two nearest neighbors means A is there. Okay, are you getting? अजून एक काहीतरी ऑप्शन R/4 करा काहीतरी म्हणजे बरोबर होतं. नेक्स्ट.
The number of atoms per unit cell for BCC structure is option A 1, option B 2, option C 4, option D 9. Answer is option B 2.
Okay, for BCC number of atoms per unit cell for BCC is equal to 2. SC1, FCC 4. ठीक है. Next. Repeat व्हायला लागलं
Atomic radius of FCC lattice is
FCC किती आहे?
A root 3a upon 4.
R is equal to root 2a upon 4. ठीक है. Then next.
सर नेक्स्ट स्लाइड घेऊन
टाकली की
आत्ताची
पाठीमागची पाहिजे का? हा घ्या.
कम्प्लीट.
झालं ना?
हा सर यस.
The relation of angle between axes for a tetragonal crystal system is not for tetragonal. पटकन
Alpha is
सांगायचं.
equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree.
Okay, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. And what is the relation between A, B, C for tetragon?
A is equal to B is not equal to C.
Is not equal to C. This is for tetragonal. Okay. The next, triclinic. Read it. Anyone.
Alpha not equal to beta not equal.
Before that, read the MCQ.
The relation between lengths of axis of unit cell of triclinic crystal system is option A is equal to B is equal to C, option B A is equal to B not equal to C, option C A not equal to B not equal to C, option D A not equal to B is equal to C, and answer A not equal to B not equal to C, option
Okay,
C.
A is not equal to B is not equal to C. And angle चे पण काय असतंय?
Alpha not equal to beta not equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree.
ठीक है. Next.
Which of the following represent the characteristics of crystal structure? Option A unit cell, option B space lattice, option C basis, option D all of this. Answer all of this.
Okay, answer is all of this. हे सगळेच आहेत. ठीक आहे. युनिट सेल पण आहे, लॅटिस पण आहे, बेसिस पण आहे. सगळे आपले कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स कशाचे आहेत? क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चरचे आहेत. सो ऑल ऑफ दिस इज द करेक्ट आन्सर. ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट वन. प्रत्येकाला संधी मिळाली पाहिजे. प्रत्येकाने स्वतःहून स्टार्ट केलं पाहिजे. कोरटी आकांक्षा पवार 40. रोल नंबर 40.
Dash atom acts as
त्याच्या आधी एक राहिलं का?
atom acts as the center of.
नाही, त्याच्या अगोदरचं 30 नंबरचं कुठे सांगितलं?
Sorry.
Which
of the following is most compact structure?
Okay, which of the following is the most compact structure? कोण सांगताय? कॉम्पॅक्ट सांगा कुठला आहे? सगळ्यात कॉम्पॅक्ट स्ट्रक्चर म्हणजे ज्याचा FCC कशावर? ॲटॉमिक पॅकिंग फॅक्टरवर अवलंबून असतं. ज्याचा ॲटॉमिक पॅकिंग फॅक्टर जास्त म्हणजे वाईड स्पेस लेस, ॲटॉमिक फॅक्टर लार्ज आणि वाईड स्पेस कशी पाहिजे त्याची एकदम कमी, वॅकंट स्पेस कमी पाहिजे. असं कुठलं स्ट्रक्चर आहे हो? लेस वॅकंट स्पेस. Which one? FCC. FCC is the most compact structure. Next.
Dash atom act as the center of symmetry for which cubic crystal system? Option A corner atom, option B face center atom, option C body center atom, D none of these. C body center atom.
Okay, body center atom is acts like a center of symmetry for the cubic crystal. And total number of how many center of symmetries are there?
30.
Center of symmetry एकच आहे. एकच आहे, तो पण कुठला आहे? बॉडी सेंटर्ड atom. Only one center of symmetry for the cubic crystal, that is body centered atom. Okay, body centered atom. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट.
Total axis of symmetry for cubic structure is option A 3, option B 6, option C 9, option D 13. Answer is 13.
How many axes of symmetries are there? 13.
13.
कशी 13 ची बेरीज सांगा बरं मला. टेट्राड.
Tetrad axis 3, axis 6,
diad axis
triad axis 6, and triad axis 4.
Triad axis.
3, 6 आणि 4 टोटल 30. ठीक आहे. ओके. नेक्स्ट. रीड इट. किती नंबरचा आहे? 32 ना. MCQ number 32.
The relation between interplanar spacing D and the edge length A is given option D upon A. D is equal to A upon H square plus K square plus L square.
A upon B is equal to A dividing by
Square root of h square plus k square plus l square.
H square plus K square plus L square. So which option is correct here? D is equal to C. D is equal to A dividing by under root H square plus K square plus L square. The option C is the correct option. 33 number. Next. Read the MCQ number 33. ज्यांना झालेलं नाही त्यांनी स्टार्ट करायचं पटकन. 44 number.
There are dash number of ways to represent the crystal structure in 3 dimensions.
There are dash number of ways to represent the crystal structure in 3D. म्हणजे ब्रायवेज लॅटायसेस आहेत. आपण एकूण किती ब्रायवेज लॅटायसेस बघितलं? प्रत्येक क्यूबिक मध्ये 3 आहेत. क्यूबिक मध्ये कुठले 3? SC म्हणजे प्रिमिटिव्ह PIF. दुसऱ्या सिस्टीम मध्ये किती आहे? तिसऱ्या सिस्टीम मध्ये कशा एकूण बेरीज केली किती होते आपले? 14. How many private lattices are there total?
14.
14. Okay. Next, 34 number.
Which of the following acts as a framework to build the whole crystal structure? A unit cell, B space lattice, C basis, and D none of these.
It is a framework on which crystal structure is based. पहिली डेफिनेशन आहे सगळ्यात पहिली.
Unit cell. Space lattice.
Lattice is there. Okay. Space lattice. It is a building block म्हणलं ह्याला आपण. Or smallest unit of the lattice. आणि ह्याला काय म्हणले? Single atom or group of atoms म्हणलं. आणि ह्याला म्हणले framework. The framework आहे. This is the smallest unit आहे. Smallest unit आहे. ठीक आहे. Next. 35 number. कोण आहे पटकन? Read MCQ number 35. मीच रोल नंबर सांगावा लागतो मला. रोल नंबर 46 ठेंगेल.
In diad axis of symmetry, angle of rotation of cubic crystal structure is dash dash so as to get its congruent position.
सांगा डायड मध्ये किती आहेत अँगल? दोनदा रिपीट केले मी ह्याच्या अगोदर 180 डिग्री. नेक्स्ट.
The half of the distance between two nearest neighbors is known as A. Atomic radius, B. Coordinate number, C. Packing factor, D. Void space. Option A. Atomic radius.
Okay, atomic radius is the correct definition. This is the definition of atomic radius. Atomic radius means half the distance between the two nearest neighbors in a crystal. It is called as atomic radius. Next.
In dash cubic crystal structure, the unutilized space is more. ASC, B, BCC, C, FCC, D, none of this. ASC,
Okay, white space is equal to once again.
48%.
How many for SC? How many are there? 48. This option is SC.
A.
A option is the correct option. Next. पटकन फास्ट मी पण थांबणार आहे बघा असं शांत तुम्ही जर शांत बसला तर
Total contribution of all 8 corner atoms in a single unit cell is option A 0, option B A 1, option C 4, option D 8. Answer is 1.
Okay, 18 into 8 is equal to 1 म्हणतो आपण. प्रत्येक कॉर्नरचा 1/8 पोर्शन असतो त्या सेल मध्ये. असे 1/8 पोर्शन्स किती आहेत? 8 आहेत. 1/8 into 8 is equal to 1. This option 1 is correct option. ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट. हे डिसऑर्डर्ड वगैरे राहू द्या. सांगा. हा ठीक आहे. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज करेक्ट इट. रीड इट. ट्रायक्लिक. Read the MCQ first.
Which of the following is most of the disorder structure?
Which structure is disordered? Triclinic, because in triclinic A is not equal to B, is not equal to C, and alpha is not equal to beta, is not equal to gamma, is not equal
to 90 degrees.
That's why it is most disordered. Okay. Next.
A plane parallel to one of the coordinate axis has an intersected of A1, B0, C. Sir, काय आहे?
Infinity.
Infinity and D none of this.
सांगा काय ऑप्शन येणार? एखादं प्लेन जर ऍक्सिसला पॅरलल असेल तर त्याचा इंटरसेप्ट काय असतंय?
Infinity.
Infinity असतंय. Okay, plane is parallel to any one of the coordinate axis, then intercept of that plane on that axis is infinity. आणि अजून एक आपण वाक्य लिहिलं, parallel planes have the set of parallel planes have the
same intercept.
Same Miller indices. Set of parallel planes have the same Miller indices. ठीक है. Next 41 number. Last two राहिलेत. Read MCQ number 41. Deepak Patil. Roll number 51. 54. 55. At the time of attendance also don't respond. I will write these number 51, 54, 55. Okay, I will put absent marks of these three numbers. Okay, 51, 54, because you are not responding, and at the time of attendance you are saying yes sir, present sir. Okay, it will not be accepted that time.
Sir.
Roll number
51.
Read it.
In tetrad axis of symmetry, angle of rotation of cubic crystal structure is dash dash, so as to get its congruent position. Option A 90 degree, option B 180 degree, option C 270 degree, option D 360 degree.
What is the answer for tetrad?
90 degree.
Triad. किती वेळा झालंय ते सांगता यायला पाहिजे. रोल नंबर 51 का? डायडला 180. Next 54 number once again.
1 2.
55.
The Bragg's equation is dash dash. Option A 2d sin theta is equal to d lambda. Option B d lambda sin theta is equal to 2n. Option C 2d sin theta is equal to n lambda. Option D 3d sin theta is equal to d lambda.
Now, which option is correct?
2d sin theta is equal to n.
Okay, 2d sin theta is equal to n lambda.
N
Okay, this
lambda.
option is correct. This is the Bragg's law. Okay, this relation is called as Bragg's law. Here d means interplanar distance, theta means angle, glassing angle, n means order, and lambda means wavelength of X-rays. So this is the Bragg's law. Okay, these are the multiple choice questions. Then next, take one example, one numerical. Write it, everyone. Okay, write numerical. Before that, we'll prepare the list of list is required. List of formulas. So directly we'll take it. Okay, no problem. Aluminium has. Write example. Aluminium has. Everyone, please write it. I will ask anyone. He will read that MCQ. Sorry, he will read that. He or she will read that numerical. Okay. That's why once again I am requesting to everyone, please write the numerical. Okay. I will not display that numerical here. Aluminium has FCC structure. Aluminium has FCC structure. Density of aluminium is given 2700 kg per meter cube. Density is 2700 kg per meter cube. Full stop. Calculate unit cell dimension म्हणजे small a काढायचं आहे आपल्याला. Calculate unit cell dimensions. They determine the value of small a. Calculate unit cell dimension and atomic radius r. Calculate unit cell dimension and atomic radius r. Then molecular weight is given. This m value of m, capital M is given. Molecular weight of aluminum is 26.98. Value of m is given 26.98, and Avogadro's number n is given here 6.023 into 10 raised to 26. I will write here per kg mole करू आपण. ग्रॅम च्या ऐवजी kg करतो मी. 23 च्या ऐवजी 26 लिहिले आहे per kg mole. ठीक आहे. Okay, these are the given quantities. Okay, find out first A, second is R. Okay, for FCC, what is value of small n for FCC? Value of small n for FCC. Number of atoms per unit cell for FCC? 4. Okay. Anyone read the MCQ first? Read it. कोण वाचतंय? पटकन ज्याने लिहिले त्यांनी पटकन फास्ट.
Aluminium has FCC structure density of is 2700 kg per meter cube. Calculate unit cell dimensions and atomic radius.
Okay, here these are the given quantities. First formula, which formula is required for calculating the A? Density is given. What is formula for density? Rho is equal to
4m upon na cube.
Okay, m upon capital N into a cube. Therefore, a cube is equal to n
divided by n into
rho. Therefore, small a is equal to n m upon capital N rho
raised to 1/3.
1/3. Put values now. N is equal to 4. What is m?
98.
dividing by capital N 6.023 into 10 raised to 26 into what is rho? 2700 raised to 1/3. Tell me the answer. Make mathematical simplification and tell me the final answer. And then second formula will go for afterwards. Okay, I will give 1 or 2 minutes. The second formula also I will write. What is atomic radius for FCC? Atomic radius for FCC.
A by 2 root 2.
Okay, A upon 2 root 2. Find out here A and put the values of A in equation number 2 and calculate R. दोन्ही करायचे calculations. For time being, I will take attendance. Everyone, please simplify these.
18.79.
Okay, A is equal to here
18.79.
नाही हो बघा कॅल्क्युलेशन जरा चेक करा
22.
क्यूब रूट वगैरे घ्या एकदा क्यूब रूट 4.04 येत आहे
4.04.
इंटू 10 raised to -10 मीटर किंवा 4.04 एंगस्ट्रॉम. मेक द कॅल्क्युलेशन्स मध्ये मिस्टेक होता कामा नाही. प्रॅक्टिस करावी लागेल तुम्हाला. काय मल्टिप्लिकेशन ओनली वन ऑपरेशन इज देअर, मल्टिप्लिकेशन अँड डिव्हिजन ते जमायला पाहिजे आपल्याला. ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट पुट व्हॅल्यूज हियर. आर इज इक्वल टू 4.04 into 10 raised to -10 dividing by 2 root 2. Answer is what is the answer?
1.42.
Okay, 1.43 na
42.
into 10 raised to
-10.
meter किंवा 1.43 angstrom unit. Okay, make the calculations once again. Next example, write it. Calculate सिमिलर टाइपचे एक्झाम्पल आहे, काही बदल नाहीये, फक्त व्हॅल्यूज वेगळ्या आहेत. कॅल्क्युलेट फॉर्म्युले तेच आहेत. कॅल्क्युलेट लॅटिस कॉन्स्टंट ऑफ पोटॅशियम ब्रोमाइड. लॅटिस कॉन्स्टंट means small a. Calculate lattice constant of potassium bromide. Density of potassium bromide is, calculate lattice constant of potassium bromide. Density of potassium bromide is 2.7 into 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube. And belongs to FCC. That is for FCC. What is value of small n? FCC value of 4. Okay. Molecular weight of potassium bromide is m is given. M is equal to 119. Okay, molecular weight of potassium bromide is 119 and Avogadro's number is given 6.02 T into 10 raised to 26 per kg mole. मी kg घेतोय, ग्रॅम घेतले की 23 येते तुमच्या बरोबर आहे. 6.023 into 10 raised to 26 per kg mole. वो एका 1 kg मोल ची व्हॅल्यू होती. ठीक आहे. N is given फाइंड आउट काय सांगितलं तुम्हाला, लॅटिस कॉन्स्टंट ऑफ पोटॅशियम ब्रोमाइड म्हणजे ए काढायचा आहे. कुठला फॉर्म्युला आहे हो? हा, ए इज इक्वल टू इन ब्रॅकेट हा एन एम अपॉन रेस टू 1/3. Put values and simplify now. Okay, fast. I will give 1 minute to you. Everyone, please complete it. Final answer I will tell and then I will stop. A is equal to, final answer is 4.69, sorry 6.46. Answer is 6.64 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. आणि दुसरा हे काढला, पहिला फॉर्म्युला झाला. दुसरा आर पण काढा. आर इज इक्वल टू a upon 2√2. Put values, simplify here, and final answer r is equal to, I will tell, r is equal to 2.34. 2.34 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. दोन्ही व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करायचे. Okay, we'll stop it here now.